Welcome back, guys. We're back on the job. I've just had my 2 week off on the holiday, and we're gonna sort this front bit out here. Well, I've already started it. A bit late, I couldn't bother to film this morning. I was having holiday blues. That's the big build that we're cracking on with in a bit. A load of cables here now. He's having lights all the way around, so we've got to sort some bits out and then get around back, do all the steps and stuff, and then because I've gone away for 2 days, a couple of days, we're gonna do this. So I've already started it. Look, we're gonna have do that, and I've ordered some macadam for tomorrow just to patch this in. We're gonna do it 3 thick. Give us a nice line, and I'll probably end up just cutting that. When we've been getting deliveries, it's just been crushing it all and making a mess, so I thought I'd better get it done. There's a bit in that corner, look, but I don't think I'm going to cut a line. I think I'll just cut that little bit out, because we'll do it like that. I don't know whether that's too high. I might have to grind that off. Right, let's crack on. So this here is where all cables are underneath here. That's why it was dug out, and now we're just doing like a fancy bit on it, just to make it look a bit better. We could have put tarmac in, to be fair, but look a bit nicer with these. We're using chunky ones that we've got left, but we have got to go back round there and up steps and everything. There's loads of work round there yet, but we'll get this done so no one's driving on it in a minute. Just put it in like this. Gouge this out so we can knock them down, and then I think we're just going to have to point them up with sand and cement probably. Unless we get a bag of that. Get a bag of that thingy stuff. Might be easy to just get it pointed today, mightn't it? Right, they're in. We're just going to put a line on. Just hold it onto brick, Josh. Just hold it onto brick, Tim. It tight. Hold it quite. Hold it a little bit above line as well. That's all right. That's all right. It looks quite. It looks pretty good to me. Yeah, just this one here. Out of it. Don't even think I moved it. It looks fine, doesn't it? Yeah. It looks great actually. That. Do we put like a dryer mix on and point it while we're here? Because can't bother to pick that stuff up. Just we've already got sand and cement. Might as well just do it with that. Yeah, just dry it up a little bit, and we'll point it. Because we're having a cement joint here. So this here, what we're going to do is we're going to put a piece of wood in, and we're going to have a cement joint here, then we'll tarmac up to it, and if a bit busts off then we can just point that bit up, because if we tarmac right up to it, it's going to look not great against this, and we've got a joint on that side, so it'll just look daft. So we'll try and put a joint on it now so we can do that tomorrow hopefully, and we're just getting it all filled in, and we'll brush it off. That's been in an hour or so. I've just got these bits down because he wants to stand on that when that gets cut back. Just put a couple down. That's having going to have them edgings all the way down. Same with that, look. So we'll just put a couple in there. Then we're going to have to cut this tarmac out. But I think let's try and see what this looks like. Oh yeah. I think that'll be alright. Give it a brush finish. Seems to be dry, Tim. Yeah. So bad, does it? Looks a bit low there. Yeah. Just put a bit in it. Right, hopefully tomorrow I've ordered some tarmac repair, and we can repair this, cut a line in and do that. I don't know whether that's leave that wood on tonight. Weather looks a bit dark. Hope we don't chuck it down. It's gonna look nice, all that, isn't it? We'll just macadam, it's called. It's just like it's already like wet sort of thing. You just whack it in. It's not hot tarmac, cold tarmac. You just whack it in. It's like a repair. So we'll just do that with that. Right, got this out, just give it a swirl. Took them little bits out there that will fill in. We're waiting for stuff now. We've got one bag of cement down there, so we're probably going to go down there, sort this bit out. Right, what we're doing here, just levelling it up for this tile here. Should be enough, and then so we're here, look, on this side. I'm going to start from middle, and we're going to work that way and that way. I've worked it out, so I think it's a slightly less than a flag there cut, slightly less than a flag there cut. And then we're going to do 2. Then steps will go on to that. Done that? Yep. Gonna get rubber hammer too. Oh, yeah. Get that big one if we've got it. Somewhere, isn't it?
Own little island. Sounds perfect, right?
Yeah.
Great, because I've put Wix to design our new kitchen.
At Wix, we have over 70 kitchen styles to choose from, with prices from under £3,000 to over £20,000. And with our Save and Save offer, there's up to 50% off kitchen units. Book a free designer point.
Let's have a look. So the 900, 45, 45 to the centre. What have I done with that? Looking at that, it was bang on, isn't it, that? Need low, it's going up in there, that. Got a chip right there, Tim.
Do you?
Right on that corner there.
Well, they must have only just been done then.
It's chipped. Right when you come out the door, you need to swap it. There's a problem with these, they're just chipped all the time. Right, we're going to swap that one out because it's right in your eye line. We'll use it for a cut. Tiny chip there, right in the corner. You can barely make it out, but when it's grouted you're going to see it. Josh, you need to get this off. It's going to be stuck at all. Let's save that for a cut. The problem with these porcelains, you just gotta look at them all the time. Like, that were barely noticeable, but once you get your grouting, it's right where you walk out centre of the door.
Yep.
So there again, Josh. Round 2.
Mark, what's that corner? It's not cracking it.
What?
Look at figure, look at it, try not to feel it. Right. Good. Crap these times. Those chips so easy.
I hate porcelains. Just a nightmare. I've just marked up the centre again, and then we'll whip that way and that way again instead of starting from one end, because I want my centre to be on that line there, and then when the step goes, that'll go centre again, so it'll look pretty good, hopefully. Get over it. Aye. It's a bit there. dodgy, isn't it?
As long as it works.
This is what you've got to watch out for with these, because these steps are 1200 long. So this here, you need it no rock at all, because if it's sunk it middle or raised it middle, steps that long, you can see it and it leaves a lip. The main thing is just getting them straight as possible. That looks pretty good actually. I'll leave that at that. But yeah, if it's sticking up and down, we haven't been this way, it's harder to lay, because you've got to get it flat. I mean, you could string a line, but as long as you haven't got a rock on your level, you're alright. Right, got them down yesterday. It's not bad, it's all looking good. And then the steps will start there, and then need to sort this crap out here. I need to cut through that, put it into that so it goes into that soak away. Bodge a bit of pipe down there somewhere. All it's taking is that and that. I'm just having it go straight into the soak away, no trap, because all it's catching is water running off door. That is leaning that way. This is leaning that way. So there's not much water in it. Right, we're I think that's set round here, so we're gonna do some tarmacking. Oh yeah, sorted that out and all. So that'll go like that, and then it's gonna have another drain cover there, and then God knows, mess about with that another day. Oh yeah, and these two have got to come up, because these wires here, all these wires, ones are good down there, around there, they're all having lights underneath, all the way around, underneath. I don't know whether it's both sides or whether it's just inside, I don't know. So we need to pull that and that up so we can get this wire into it. I think the electrician's coming today. I'm going to sort this tarmacking out, because it's had a day to go off now. It's just this stuff, so put it in here, give it a whack down, and that'll finish that off. So I don't know whether this is going to chip away, but I figured we'd fill it in, and then if it does chip away, we'll just fill it, we'll just sort it out. Just gives a barrier, doesn't it? Looks better. Yeah, it's like, look, it's like it's got a life of its own. Look, it just falls off. It's weird stuff, this. It's not like proper tarmac. Morning. Right, we've got it a little bit higher, look. So high, 20 mil, and then hopefully that'll whack down. We'll give it a whack, see if it works. That's it, that looks alright, doesn't it, that? Good to walk on straight away. Pretty good. That should do us. That looks quite nice now. Alright, crack on with something else. Got it? Alright, listen. Oh, God. What's that big on that tin? Very careful, very careful.
Yeah, no, I want to catch fingers again.
Oh, corner. Ah,
You good?
yeah. I'm not kidding. This job is absolutely massive. Just finished this bit off today. got it up cuts. It just goes on and on. Still got some, that's sort of that in the morning. Just goes on forever. It's an absolutely massive job. Just managed to finish this. I didn't record it because it is a slow grind. Getting all the way down back of that. We had to tilt that forward, push one under, but we've got there. Tim's just, I've just marked that up, the square bit. I just need to mark it up again, take edges off, we can bed that down. That's just, I've had to just do that with that. They were hoping to get that moved over, but it won't move over that far. There'd only been a little gap like that, so I've had to leave that as is, which is not bad really. Just missing a cover for that, but that's it. Just once these wires sorting out a bit, managed to get all the drains down back, which were meh, but looking good. We just need to tidy it, get this one in, tidy it up, then we can start on them steps next week. Round on these ones, round there, that first one we did, there seems to be a lot of water in these holes and it's pushing up when you're standing on it, it's bending metal, pushing up. So I think what we're going to do next week, when I can get a metal drill bit, and I'm going to drill through every one of them so it lets water out, because at the minute they're holding water. See, that one's holding water, look. It's, look, full of water inside. I'm going to drill each one of these. This one's had a ton of water on it. So I need to drill them. Right, if this don't fit, it's Tim's fault, because he's cut it.
You marked it.
Is it the marker or the cutter though?
It's definitely you. You said go on the inside of the line, I went on the inside of the line.
I'm just going to have to like drop it in. It's Josh thing. Go on then. I'll drop mine in. Ah, yeah. Oh, look at that. It's perfect. First time. Easier though this one, because it's one piece. Just hope that I've got too much bedding. No, it's looking good. Looking good. Yeah. Oh, that's it. Yeah. So that corner's just out. That looks pretty good to me. Yeah, that'll do it. That is it for this one. I'm gonna we'll walk up there and I'll show you what we're doing next week. So if you liked it, just like, subscribe, drop us a comment. I'll see you in the next one. Right, let's have a quick look at this before I go. So we've got this done. That's where wires come in, so that just needs bedding back on that. There's a bit of pointing there to do. But we've got that tricky bit done underneath here. We had to lean that back and mess about with it. Drains are in. And this bit here. And then you come around here, we've got this cut to do, which we'll be doing next time. Them down, and as you can see, we've been digging a new channel because steps are going to go there, but you can't really get a table and chairs on that, so we're going to come out another 600, then another 4 with that, so we'll be out here, then steps down. That's what we're going to be doing next week. Big step build. I don't know how long it'll take like, so we've got to do a lot. That's it. Catch you in the next one. See you later.